Alright guys, so now this is actually being filmed on an iPhone XS Max as well, so there we go, get rid of that nice crunchy paper. Open the box. Usual Apple stuff, I guess. Probably some stickers in here. Stickers, bin, little hello instructions. Designed by Apple in California. Here's the unit. Just get this up. Had the Note 8, obviously, for a year or a little over. And it was really nice, great build quality and everything. But even the Note 8, Note 9, you compare it to an Apple product, and I have to say, at least one thing that Apple still do right, they do plenty wrong, but one thing they still do right is build quality. Exceptional build quality, really, really nice materials. Love it. I love the space gray color here. It's probably hard to see. It probably just looks black. You can see it a little bit more in the detailing around the edges, which again is a nice rich gray. So yeah, I mean, the phone itself, of course, I've had a couple of weeks to use it. Definitely the best phone I've ever had in terms of just the speed and responsiveness and so on. It's been really, really nice. The complaints I have are related to this. I don't know why they offer a 5-watt power brick. It's kind of disgraceful that they offer fast charging on the unit, but they don't give you a fast charger out of the box. So of course you get no adapters in this to convert to a lightning connector. I don't know why they don't use USB-C, and that way you could charge your MacBook as well as your phone. And then they don't give you any other adapters like a USB to USB-C, so you can actually connect some stuff, to say a MacBook or even just whatever dongles you might need. I can't believe on a $1,300 phone like this is, I got the 256 gig option. I can't believe they don't actually, first of all, give you a fast charger. This is virtually useless. The only thing it's okay for and acceptable is that you charge overnight, which most people do. The battery on the unit itself has been on at least on my first unit was exceptional. It would I would normally get to maybe 50% by 9 o'clock at night, unplugging early in the morning, maybe at 6:30 or 7, and just kind of normal use, the odd video, lots of email, photos. It's been really, really good in terms of battery life. Definitely an all-day battery life, much more so than the Note 8. So screen has been great. Aside from that volume up issue that I had, all the buttons were working well. iOS 12 is really, really good. Certainly the best iteration of iOS that I've encountered. You won't be able to see, of course, the quality. You can see the quality of the video from this. But the screen is really, really nice. Build quality again, going around the edges and everything. Just usual Apple build quality. Lovely kind of sweeping glass around the edges. Really nice tactile sounds. For the buttons, again, all the nice metal everywhere. And you can see that kind of space gray color now. I do hear good things about the kind of robustness of the glass on this device. Apparently it is genuinely probably the hardest wearing of any smartphone, so that's good news, especially for something so expensive. Complaints again, I didn't really understand why they had to kind of break all this up in terms of design with the antenna band, but call quality, I have to say, has been head and shoulders above what I was getting on the Note 8. Genuinely way, way better. I would find I'd be talking to people on the Note 8 and it would drop in and out. If I was leaving a voicemail, the microphone would dip in and out. So if I listened to the voicemail back, you were missing words, it kind of went muffled for no reason, that kind of stuff. It does not happen on the iPhone. Both hearing quality, the microphone at the bottom has been excellent. The speaker at the top is fantastic. Music on the unit as well has been really, really good. It's got the stereo speaker setup, so you get the speaker here and then one at the top. The notch doesn't bother me anywhere near as much as I expected it to. In fact, I kind of like it, which is, probably you're not allowed to say that, but I like the functionality of it, the way the information that's kind of secondary, like your battery and your connectivity and the time and so on, gets shot up into these two little corners. It actually works, I think, really well. As you can see from this video quality is exceptional, way better than I've ever found on the Note 8. Good auto focusing, see instantly pretty much it's focusing on the edge there and all that kind of stuff. So that just gives you an idea of the quality. There you go again. Gotta say, out of any phone I've had, there's no real weakness in the phone. Battery life is great, screen is exceptional, build quality is there, the sound in terms of the speakers, the stereo speakers, has been really nice, and yeah, everything has been really good. So yeah, that's my kind of initial impressions of the iPhone XS Max. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments section. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks.